MAH-CET registration forms are out. You can fill the forms till 17th of July. If you're thinking about it, make sure you fill the form early. If you're not thinking about it, well, you must. And Maharashtra is a beautiful place for doing a management education. There are tons of good colleges. And so it's in one way or other, it's a business hub for India. I grew up in Chennai. So here the default setting is, look, you do engineering and then you decide what you want to do. And then one small minority says, let me venture out and try my MBA. So we don't have we didn't have a banker subculture of MBA 25 years ago. Now it is slightly better, but it's not as deep, anywhere as deep as it is in Maharashtra. There are tons of phenomenal colleges. And with Maharashtra CET gives you access to the lion's share of these colleges. So Jamnalal Bajaj, Velinkar, KJ Somaya, they're all fabulous colleges. And this could be an easier ticket to it than even CAT. So definitely, if you're thinking about it, then you should take it seriously. If you're not thinking about it and you're eligible for it, you must take it. It's a good exam to take. It's a slightly easier exam to take than CAT, and it opens up tons of good colleges. It's a no-brainer, really. Right? So, what should we do to prepare? What is a modification one must do from Maharashtra CET to CAT? And for CAT, the question level, individual question level is slightly tougher. For Maharashtra CET, for tougher colleges, the bar is even higher. There are some colleges where you have to get 99.97 to even have a shot at. So the exam at a question-to-question level could be simpler, but the competition is intense. And so what adjustment should one make from CAT to Maharashtra CET? You amp up speed, amp up solving simpler template question. Don't chase that really tough question. Don't try to learn the proof for Apollonius theorem and in geometry. Leave out the crankier bits. Amp up skipping questions and selecting questions, that feature. Amp up speed extremely, especially because there's no negative marking either. So bunch of adjustments need to be made from the CAT world to the Maharashtra CET world. If you're not worried about CAT at all and you're saying, look, Maharashtra CET is everything, then make sure you're preparing with that framework and don't get carried away with a lot of crankier, tougher questions that students do for CAT, which are not really super relevant for our exam. The question types are different, the question levels of difficulty are different. So make sure you're preparing for your exam and not for CAT. If you're preparing for CAT and then jumping onto the Maharashtra CET train, then make sure that you make those adjustments. Leave out the top two levels of difficulty, amp up speed, know how to take chances, you're good. If you're saying, look, CAT is not my thing, this is my thing, then ensure that you're not subconsciously preparing for CAT because of your peer group. Prepare for Maharashtra CET, that's what you're focusing on.